plasterboard shop right now. I've got some sheets behind me here. 3.6 meter by 13 millimeters. I've got a small ceiling to do. So what I have to do, my van can fit 3 meters. So I have to cut, I've measured exactly how much I need. I have to cut a little bit off and load them in. I'm by myself, I got my sheet lifter. Got all 5 sheets in. They're pretty heavy to do on your own, and it just about that much too long. Now the back door won't close, so alright, we've got it locked in. Got some straps holding the door closed, and what I do, I get some clamps, just clamp that up like that as well. I got some insulation. I didn't show you what I did yesterday because I was just taking the ceiling down. It's currently in the back of my van and I'm done. You guys can come to my local garbage dump. C&D, mate. Friggin' digger over there. C&D, bro. It's mopping up with his digger. Plasterboard! Yeah. Yeah, I thought so. Got my Slayer kit here because I am going to be putting corners up today. I had to get this in here by myself. Look at the size of it. Here's the rest of it. Alright, how was that? Was that fun for you guys? It works on weight. So whatever I've thrown out the back, they've weighed me before, and now I go back over. I'll do it again. Thank you, man. You too. Tell you what it costs. It's $213 a ton. $213 a ton. 56 bucks. 240 kilograms costs $56. Alright. Pretty easy to figure out. Now I'll show you where I'm going. Back to the job. It's 1 hour away. I take all the money for this job by myself, so you let me know at home or wherever you're watching what this job's worth. And I'm gonna get it done in 3 days. Yeah, we got expenses. We got expenses like the plasterboard sheets that you saw yesterday. We got the 240 kilograms of dump waste, which cost me 56 bucks. Other than that, I got all the setting stuff inside already. I'll see you in an hour. Right again, before we put it up, all these down.